you step by step. Let's go ahead and get into it. First off, we want to go ahead here and get to the polymarket bot. Let's go to polymarket here. Polymarket. And what I wanted to do here is actually close all this. Just terminate everything. Terminate all of it. Okay, so Claude Code, what's up? Good morning. I want you to go through all of my code in this directory, polymarket trading bots. There are two different bots. There's the copy bot new, and then there's also the mean reversion bot. These are two different bots, and there's actually also a spread bot, I believe. Yes, and then there's a ton of functions and nice funcs that we use for all three of these bots. I want you to build out a course.md here that will essentially outline the exact things that are inside of this polymarket bot. First off, or these polymarket bots. And then second off, I want you to build a step-by-step itinerary for teaching this course here. So this will be like, somebody can look at this and be like, oh, I know exactly what's in it. And this is what I'm going to learn. And then this will also be helpful for me if I want to later go ahead and walk people through this entirely. So go ahead and build this into a course.md in the main directory and make sure that everything that you talk about connects us, links, or shows the path to the file that I would need to teach. This way, this is like a syllabus for a short and concise course, as it is not too much code. There's 3 bots, but it's not crazy. And I would like to do it in like 3, 4, maybe 5 videos. Rinsler, what's up, bro? Big fan of yours. Hope this session brings small profitable trades. Haha. This session will not bring any money to your bank account. I'm sorry. Much love to you. I hope you learned something that you can then go build. Not financial advice. I love you though. Thank you for being here. Okay, so let's explore codebase, analyze copybot new, analyze mean reversion, analyze spread bot. Perfect. Review nice funcs utility. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Exceeds max token. What are you talking about? Max token? I be token all the time, dude. Nah, I'm just kidding. I wanted to start a bot. I'm a software developer, so wanted to build $100 a bot. I'm good. I'm doing pretty good too. Thank you. Just got done with a little workout. Feeling good, feeling good. Feeling good, feeling good. So when did I start this? 626, 712. Okay. Yo, what's up, Mohan? Mahan? How are you, bro? Oh shit. That's not what I want to do. Oh, I need to go ahead and get into my server actually. Let's go to that server here. Servers. I got 2 servers. Who this? 33 cents an hour or 33 cents an hour. I don't know if it's 33 or 3, but oh well. Whichever one is cool with me. So how do I get my password? Uh-oh. So we got Claude Code rolling here. That's nice. Uh-oh, I think I lost my password. SSH keys. Resource number. Yes, I want you to continue, Shorty. Thank you. Are you a single person doing all this stuff? I am. Well, I've got a team. I've got a team to help me out with the bootcamp stuff. If you're still here, tap the like button and subscribe because I believe code is the great equalizer, and I know Wall Street will never show any of this, so I'm going to show you everything. All I do ask is you hit the like and subscribe. How to get password Cherry Server's server? Cooked, bro. I forgot. Damn. Uh-oh. So that's not good, bro. That's not good. It's not good at all. FYI, before YouTube removed your videos, I downloaded the transcripts of those videos and now learning from them. Nice, though. That's smart. All of them? All the video? That's wild, bro. Good move. You want to edit this? Yes. Okay, here we go. So let's go ahead and check it out. Feel bad that you were striked? I know, it sucks, bro. Thank you. It's all good, though. Oh, I do have the password. Woo! Oh, Scared me for a seckie, bro. Damn. Scared me for a seckie. Okay, so what I want to do is actually log into that server here. And then we got this already written by Claude, which is fire. Okay, go ahead and make a new folder and put this course.md in that folder. And then based off of the 3 bots that I have and the nice funks, make a nice slim folder with only the necessary functions in the nice funks and then only the necessary functions in the 3 bots, and put those 4 files inside this new folder. Don't change anything from our current structures, our other files. You'll have to remake these in order to make this a nice clean course folder here. So I have exactly what I need to share, the exact code in order to teach all of this. As you see, there is a ton of test code in my environment and things that I had to test in order to build out this code. So this will be a nice clean folder that you create, and then you also move the course.md in there and make any updates to the course.md that you need. Yes, and don't ask me again. Yo, what's up, Azrael? 777, bro. Good to see you, bro. It's in the... Say okay. Cache? SSH? Server? Pip? TypeScript? SSH? Data? Say ls? Thank you, bro. What's up, Prince? Yo, I'm in my server right now, but I can't find the files that I'm looking for. If you want to automate your trading, I will hold your hand step by step. The folder I'm looking for really is with the whole thing that I built. Is there any way you can help me walk through? Want to automate your trading? Locate them. I'm in a Ubuntu server right now. Gemini 2.5 Pro. Hell no. Hell no. Hell to the no, no, no. No, no, no. No way. Almost as bad as using Grok 4. When you started this journey, how long did it take you to be profitable with bots? It took me at least 6 months. I had to learn how to code. I had a couple systems that I thought might be profitable. A couple were not. All right. Okay, so root. Home. Let me check. Found it. Okay. Nice. So how do you get in there? Okay, CD. That's the thing, bro. It's under opt. But inside of VS Code, how do I have it show on my left side in the folder? Right now, I'm only can see cache, cursor, server, and SSH. GM, I'm interested in building a bot. Nice, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's inside of there. We didn't move the nice funks though, did we? All right, good. I know some Python. What other languages are required? Python. Just Python. Just Python, bro. All right, so I see the issue. VS Code is currently showing the home directory instead of the project directory. Let me help you correct that folder. You need to open the project folder in VS Code. Go to VS Code File, Open Folder. Okay, there we go. Now it's under opt, right? There it is. And then let's go to users here. And what day was that? Show the time here. Okay, there we go. So 22:35. Created that. Let's open this into a download here. Download. Download. Please don't show on this. I guess that's fine. Okay, so perfect. Created at 11, so 10. What is 2200 hours? It's 10 p.m. I want to go ahead and first update this to say, please update the registration page so it says close for new registrations. So instead of them being able to add in their registration information, it'll say close to new registrations. Please check back later. Okay, so Cloud Code is working for us, which is nice. Please tell cursor to proceed. Cloud Code was tested by me before. Really? That's pretty cool. That's not going to apply to us since we had you go through that journey for us, right? It's definitely going to apply for you. It's definitely going to apply for you, dude, because I can't just give you a $1 million bot, bro. So I can teach you how to fish. I can show you how to build out your strategies, but it comes down to your edge. So it will apply to you. It's going to take time. This is not a fast game. It's the hardest game in the world. It's not easy. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a get rich quick. YouTube, please, can you hear me? Can you hear me loud and clear now, YouTube? They want to print, and I tell them it's not a get rich quick. They want to print. They want to use my bots and print. I tell them that that's not doable, dude. I'm not giving you my bots. I will give you my mind. I will give you the step-by-steps. I will show you everything. But I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And I'm a human. You can see me now. You can see me now. I'm a human. I'm a real human. Live in color. Live in color. All right, so I need to write something. If you want to automate your trading, I will hold your hand step by step in my boot camp with short, concise videos in any language. So if you actually want to automate your trading, check out the link below. Dude, this stuff smells, bro. It has to be this. It has to be this light. New light, who this? It's actually trippy, bro. But oh yeah, this battery smells. My dog sounds like she's gonna die, so I'm gonna go. Look, bro, burning something? No, maybe that's just the smell, dude. Next page on the coast, please. Oh, scroll down. Here you go. Yo, what's up, Will? Can we see your dog, please? They want to see you. You're famous now. Hello. This is her. My little, just a little girl. Just a little baby girl. This is the one that's always yapping. Oh. Just wanted to see you real quick. She's like, you just gonna show me off and then kick me out? Show me off and then kick me out, dude? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Let me kick it. All right, so sounds good. Where do I sign up? Where do we sign up? Give me like 10 minutes maybe. Can you kick it for 10 minutes or you gotta go? If you gotta go, bro, then just jump on the email list. I'll send you an email here in the next 24 hours or so. So beautiful. Thank you, dude. Thank you. She's a cutie pie. I love her. I didn't know that dogs could be so great, honestly. I didn't understand dog people before I got a dog. And then I'm like, oh, I get it now. I get it. That's your baby. That's why you treat them like that. That's your baby girl. You can't understand until you get a dog. So, team 47. Damn, these times are so different. So, 47. Okay, I need to go to Discord. That's ghetto, bro. Oh shit. Just gonna go dark for half a second. Do you want my free automated traders roadmap? It comes with all of my resources, my actual system, a book list, and Discord access. It's 100% free. Click the link below to join the newsletter, and I will send it to you right now. All right. Perfect. It looks like we have some liquidations coming through. It seems you focus on crypto. Yeah, exactly, Prince. What's up, Rico? How are you, dude? I've already joined the newsletter. Haven't received that yet. Yeah, I haven't said anything yet. What is your most reliable source for market data? Say ES futures. I trade crypto. I can chill for 10. Yo, thank you, dude. I wonder why this is taking so long. Say continue. Could you please tell me where you put your bots running on the cloud? I put them on the cloud after, I mean, the first few months I got started with this, maybe even the first full year, I just ran it from my computer. But once you need like scalability, you want to run them from a cloud. I use Cherry servers. I'm not affiliated, but that's what I use. So we're almost about to hit an all-time high, which is awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Hmm. Let me read through that a little better then. Where did she say that? Convolulating? What the fuck does that mean? Do you focus on crypto trading? Yeah. So not betting and thus selling before they resolve? I think there's some overlap between crypto. I think trading is trading, so I think there's overlap between just trading in general. But yeah. 143 seconds is crazy. Come on, buddy. Let's go, curse Claude. Claude cursor. There we go. I've helped hundreds of people automate their trading, even if they've never coded a day in their life. You can go check all the testimonials on my webpage. The link is in the description, but there's a 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked for 90 days. So click the link below and make sure to jump in right now. And if you don't like it, then you get your money back. Where did I see that, dude? I don't even know where that was, bro. Okay, yes. Scroll down some more, please. How high do you think BTC will go? Yeah, I don't know, but I've said for the last like 10 years it's going to 1 million. That's what Marvin Martian used to use. You can now use Kimi too. Is it good? All right, let's go ahead and read what this says. So perfect. I've successfully created a clean, streamlined course folder with exactly what you need for teaching. Here's what I've accomplished. Created the course directory with 5 essential files, the nice funks, essential trading functions, streamlined from 2,374 lines to 9 core functions actually used by the bots. Clean educational version with comprehensive documentation. Renamed Copybot New for simplicity to Copybot. Mean reversion. Why do you call that statistical arbitrage? Clean imports using nice funks. Nice. Complete mean reversion implementation. Open high low close volume analysis and signal detection. Spread bot spread analysis and opportunity detection. And then course.md, updated course syllabus. Updated all file references to point to the new clean versions. 5 module structure, perfect for video series, comprehensive learning objectives, and lab exercises. Ready to teach. Key benefits of this clean course folder. No test code, removed all experimental test files. Self-contained, everything's in there, perfect for teaching students get exactly what they need. What's up, Savage? So welcome to the comprehensive course on building and deploying automated trading bots for polymarket. I want to drop all verbiage of trading in this overview of the course.md. Essentially, Google, YouTube, they don't love trading in general. So I want to call these prediction bots and just change all verbiage to that. Don't say anything about trading. Okay. Just chilling, bro. How are you, dude? AI says it's better than Claude. It's better than Sonnet. Then how do I want to launch this is the question. That's a good question, bro. AI based prediction bot. You got a good idea? Nice, dude. That's exciting. If you want to automate your trading, I will hold your hand step by step in my boot camp with short, concise videos in any language. So if you actually want to automate your trading, check out the link below. Mm, add. Okay, so that is Gucci now. And then I just need to make a page, I think. Damn, I really said 10 minutes is a thing, dude. Fuck. That's really crazy. Um, so I'm gonna tell Cursor here or Claude. All right, now go make a HTML, like make a website folder inside of the folder and make a based off of, the course.md. This will be client facing and make a step by a landing page that has the same CTA call to action says join now in 3 different places throughout, and then you have all this information to explain what they'll learn inside of the polymarket, the prediction bots. Let's go ahead and say this as well. Do I want to do that or? Hmm. Okay. And call it Moondev's prediction bot course. This will be, yeah. Do I want to put it there though? Damn, I gotta think about this. Essentially, I need a landing page and a thank you page, and the thank you page will say thank you for joining. Make sure to save this page. Make sure to save this link. And then it will have some videos on it. And the first 2 videos are going to be these ones here. This is video 1 and video 2. I'll put the links here. Okay. What's your idea? Inside bar or outside candle strat off a volume alert, but then also have AI research news and socials. I'm noticing a lot of buys and sells being monitored for BTC and Ethereum. That's fantastic. One question: meme coins for a prediction bot to, let's say, monitor and predict the new token and new pairs section of Radium. What kind of build process would a vibe coder be looking at? Well, I vibe coded all of this, so it's not too hard. I'll show you everything though. Um, I think I am gonna do it that way. Well, oh, the light died. So it only lasts a day. My light only lasts a day. Only lasts a day. Now I know. Got to charge it every day. Sorry for the poor lighting, but let's see. Looks like she's working on the website here, which is awesome. I'll go ahead and update this that I was talking about earlier. So this is my whatever screen. Oh snap! Screen ls main, I believe. Yeah, screen r main. Let's reset that. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Screen is terminated. Why did the screen terminate when I tried to reattach to it? That's super weird. You should hook it up to Magic MCP for the UI. Huh. You became a trader as a dev, or the other way around? Other way around. Became a dev as a trader. Okay, so I'm just gonna start a new one then. I know sometimes my videos can be long. That's because I'm just showing you over my shoulder. But if you want me to actually hold your hand through automating your trading and building your own bot, I'll show you how in the link below. Check it out in the description. I do need to start the VNV. Okay. All right, just go ahead and start the VNV, the ENV I had, or the virtual environment, and then go ahead and launch this screen again, and then launch main.py on it. Well, I could just have it be dead. There we go. I'll just have it be dead. Okay, so let's see what she built here. So perfect. I've created a professional conversion focused website for Moondev's prediction bots. And here's I built it. Hero section, join now. Let's see what it looks like. Website here. Thank you page and the index. Reveal, show preview here. Three strategies, 5 videos, 70% success rate. Jesus. Jesus. Whale falling bot, statistical arbitrage. I guess that is a market making bot, technically. Comprehensive training here. Let's read what it says. Statistical analysis bot. Yeah, we're gonna have to change a lot of this because this is not financial advice. We're gonna have to go a little easier on the landing page. First off, remove the course, the modules, and the join now from above. Call it Moondev's prediction bot course at the top. Center that. do not say anything about success rates because we're not financial advisors. You don't want to like, do that. And then there's this big black space in between the what you'll learn and the market making bot. Let's get rid of that so it looks a little nicer. Instead of saying like 3 prediction strategies, say 3 prediction market bots. Yeah, 3 powerful prediction market bots. We don't need to have $10 positions mentioned in the whale following bot. Let's call the statistical analysis bot a mean reversion bot. We don't need to put the times on how long these videos are, because I don't know how long the videos are going to be. We don't need that performance section because, these are all bots for examples so they can build in their own edge. And then at the very bottom of the screen, we'll have a disclaimer that says the below. I just got to be super careful with this stuff, dude, as you know. I can't be making claims. I can't say this stuff is just going to make you a bunch of money because I don't know. I don't know what your approach to the market is, and I'll never believe in the whole like download a bot and make a bunch of money. This is the disclaimer. It's long, but we have the whole thing at the bottom of the website. Okay, let's go ahead and start there. And then I think I'm just going to do that. I'm going to do that. I'm going to say, I'm just going to get it. Yeah. Damn, that smells bad, bro. It smells really bad. Six eight oh 129. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. I have so many domains in my freaking cart, bro. It's embarrassing. It's really embarrassing. What is the password for that? Not password. QuickBooks. QuickBooks. 1148 for the domain. 1148. Do you want to learn and connect with hundreds of other automated traders? Join the newsletter below and please walk me through the process of using a Namecheap domain to get it set up on. Actually, no, fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck name. Fuck that shit, dude. Cloudflare. If Jane's not here, I'm not using Cloudflare. Haha! If Jane isn't here, I'm not using Cloudflare. That's the rule. I like that. So let's create a link here. Create payment link here. The after payment page would be thank you. Let's go here and say new at website. Assuming my website name is below, can you look at this folder and see what the website link would be? I think it would just be slash thank you for the thank you page. A couple ideas for your course sections: developing an edge and have a section on backtesting. Okay. I actually haven't backtested any of these prediction bots. I don't know how to. So the thank you page would be how would we go about dropping the .html? For Nginx, okay, great. So I'm just gonna place HTTPS. How would I go ahead and make the website HTTPS? Do I need to use Cloudflare, or is there another way I can do this just launching it through my VPS? I think I do need to use Cloudflare, unfortunately. Buckety duckety. Let's see what she did. Oh, she updated this. Refresh it. Predictions bot course. Let's encrypt free and most popular VPS for VPS. Okay. Super easy setup. No renewal hassle. Bonus features. Okay, walk me through the process of setting up the Cloudflare, and then I will go ahead and set up the actual website on my VPS that I have set up. I use Namecheap in order to, I already bought the domain. So walk me through the process of from Namecheap to Cloudflare, Cloudflare to my Ubuntu VPS, and then we'll get this live. Okay, so that should be Gucci now. Create link. So let's say copy here, and let's go here. When they hit the call to action, any of those three buttons, have it linked to this page here. This page will then send them to the thank you page. Okay, so first off, we got to go here and say this. Okay, let me walk you through this process here. Go to cloudflare.com, Cloudflare, click add a site, call prediction bots, log in. Add a domain. Prediction bots. Okay. Choose the free plan. Next. Select plan. You should see something like a record pointing to your current hosting. Okay. Update Namecheap name servers here. Cloudflare will show you 2 name servers like this. Continue to activation maybe. Okay, so click the copy. I got to change these name servers. So go to here and click on enter there. DNS custom DNS. Okay. Manage prediction bots. What if I spelled it wrong? That'd be so embarrassing. I didn't finish writing that out. 1148 predictionbots.com. 713. Okay. And let's go to advanced DNS here and put in these name servers here. Advanced DNS standard custom name, find names, custom DNS, no, standard. If you actually want to learn this stuff right now and build your own trading bot, then there's a link in the description. Click that link and join the bootcamp. I will show you absolutely everything and get your first trading bot set up. Name server 1 is that. Sorry, dude, this is definitely taking more than 10 minutes. And I know I said 10 minutes. Really sorry for that. I shouldn't have said 10 minutes. Should have known. Anything with Cloudflare is going to take more than 10 minutes. Update name servers, Namecheap name servers, get Cloudflare name servers. Cloudflare will show you 2 name servers like that. Update in Namecheap. Okay, I did that. Okay, add DNS. Add DNS records in Cloudflare. VP, okay. VPS. So, okay, yeah, I know how to do this. I did this yesterday. Continue. Okay, let's go to DNS and click add at prediction bots. What's my VPS, Addy? It's a good question, bro. That's a good question, dude. I think it's right here, yeah. 88. A records. Edit. Save. SSL, turn on, go to the SSL TLS tab. So SSL TLS, always turn on. What's up, Xavier? Hey, I want to start with this. Where can I start? You can join the bootcamp here. Bootcamp is in the description. The link's in the description. Okay, SSL should be getting set up here. And then set up Ubuntu VPS. Okay, let's go ahead here and file Cloudflare configuration. Optional but recommended. So I have to do this, page rules in Cloudflare. Go to page rules. Page rules. Rule 1. Maybe we won't do that for now. Okay, let's see what this looks like here. This doesn't look good, but Moon devs. You can remove the Moon devs prediction bots course from the start, and we'll just have the master polymarket with automated prediction bots be the first thing they see. So just remove that whole top header part. You could also remove this like 100 educational things. And you can just say 3 prediction market bots, 5 video modules, and then however many functions we have. Three prediction market bots, CLI, risk management, real-time data analysis, production architecture, order management, 3 powerful prediction market bots, whale following bot, mean reversion, market making. What's included? Everything you need to start your bots, code and files. I see in the what's included, the code and files says 4 production ready Python bot files, but it's really 3 Python bots plus, you know, the essential functions. Since we only have 2 videos right now, go ahead and have the other 3 videos be there, like, but it says coming soon, ... before July 20th. Or we'll have the third one show released on July 15th, the fourth one show July 17th, and the other one July 20th. I love the disclaimer here, but I want that to be at the very bottom of the page where it's right now. It currently says educational course for learning prediction market bots and stuff at the very bottom. I want all of that disclaimer to be at the very bottom as well. Okay, so we'll get that set up here. And then I'm gonna go up into my server and launch this bitch. How about that? How about those apples, dude? How about those apples? If you want to automate your trading, I will hold your hand step by step in my bootcamp with short, concise videos in any language. So if you actually want to automate your trading, check out the link below. What's up, Xavier? How you doing, bro? Okay, and then I'm gonna take this over there. Also on the thank you page, make sure to have my email in case they need any support. Say you can email us anytime if you need any support or have any questions. moon@algotradecamp.com. And then let's go look at that thank you page because who knows what it says. Reveal in Finder, show preview. Thank you for joining. Welcome to join, import it, and save this page. Make sure to bookmark this. Thank you for your learning journey. Okay, so there's video 1. There's video 2. On the thank you page, don't be so specific on exactly what the videos are going to be. And don't say anything about creating consistent profits. Come on, bro. Chill out. Try to get me in trouble, dude. Okay, and now I can pull this over here to that server that I was just playing with. And let's say data, Mundo, data. And let's actually go ahead and say new file, new, open folder. I don't have a folder. Maybe I can just pull it up in there. Okay, so let's say pull up in there like that. Add folder, copy. Okay, so let's go ahead and say at website. Let's say at prediction bot website, so I can make sure. Prediction bot website. At prediction bot website. Please look at this website here, and we want to get this launched on this URL below. Walk me through just do the Nginx setup for me. We want to make sure that the home page is just the website below, and then the thank you page is the website below plus thank you and some sort of random numbers that you send me back that I can make sure that nobody knows in order to make this safe. As I'm showing this all on stream, and if people have the thank you page, they can go just see the thank you page. So I don't want to do that. So we need to change the thank you to be a little encrypted or something. Maybe not encrypted. Don't over engineer this. Do not over engineer this, but make it so it's, the thank you page is a little different than just thank you underscore. Predictionbots.com. This is all set up already on Cloudflare, so just instruct me if I need to make any Cloudflare changes. I've already pointed the A name to the server here, and I will screenshot what I have so far on Cloudflare. DNS. Edit, delete that hoe, I think. Also, let me know if there's anything I need to change on Cloudflare. Okay, so Let's go ahead and see what she does. Much more chill. Thank you. Thank you for being chiller, dude. Setting up the Nginx configuration. Nice, nice. If you actually want to learn this stuff right now and build your own trading bot, then there's a link in the description. Click that link and join the boot camp. I will show you absolutely everything and get your first trading bot set up. Okay, so this is the link I should take over to Stripe. Thank you page here. Let's go ahead and edit that. Prediction bot course. Um, edit. Huh. Deactivated. So let's create a link here. Create payment link. After payment, go ahead and send them to there. It's not gonna work yet, but create. Ah, fuck, dude. Oh no, no, that worked. All right, please change the 3 call to action buttons here on the front page to this link, and it should open in a new tab. Also, go ahead on the thank you page. Make sure at the top. No, never mind. Okay, then let's say screen S prediction. Okay. And then how do I run this? I've just made a screen as prediction, so I'm in the screen right now. How do I actually go ahead and run this website in order to make sure that it is live on the internet now? Since you're using Cloudflare, we need to modify the Nginx to use. Where is the server running? We should have made it on this screen here. Hey bro, real quick, can you do me a favor and just tap that like button? And if you want to see more of this, hit the subscribe as well. Thank you so much. I'm going to keep showing everything. If it's not on that website or on that screen, then please make sure to run it back and do it there. Predictionbots.com. Wow, Nginx with AI is so awesome, bro. So much easier. Go ahead and run that. Just go ahead and say accept. I love this new Q thing that they Cursor has. What's poppin', bro? Chilling. How you doing? How you doing, bro? What? Screen out left. So everything needs to be contained in the prediction bots folder here that we have. And I think things are getting confused because I had a different website running here on this server, but I'm not going to use that one anymore. We're just going to use everything in the prediction bot website folder. It looks like that we might need a main.py in order to launch this on the internet. I don't know, but you're right. There is no Python file in that folder. But go ahead and try to launch this on the prediction um, screen. Is Alpaca a good site to build a trading bot? Some people have said they like that. I don't personally use that, but I love AI, dude. Nice. Okay. How do I detach and then reattach to the screen so I can see it? I see it up here. I already did that. Terminal, new terminal, screen. I know sometimes my videos can be long. That's because I'm just showing you over my shoulder. But if you want me to actually hold your hand through automating your trading and building your own bot, I'll show you how in the link below. Check it out in the description. This is what I get when I go to predictionbots.com. Also, the local host doesn't seem to load either. So here's the syllabus. I gotta take a whiz. Looks like she's stuck. Is there a place where someone can look at my code and see if it's good enough? Yeah, we got a Discord. In the Discord, we have a code help section. So if you're in the bootcamp, the link's in the description, then you can do that. So MoonDev fix required. Perfect. The firewall HTTP, okay. The issue is likely in your Cloudflare. Here's what you need. SSL mode to flexible. Make sure the orange proxy is enabled. Do you see anything wrong here? Or anything I should change? Predictionbots.com. I can see the issue. Change the orange. Go to SSL TLS. Okay. SSL TLS. Okay. And then change to flexible. Okay, then I did that. I did that. Then wait 2 to 3 minutes here. Activity indicator? What is that? Oh, that's something specific to your thing. Let's go to predictionbots.com. Hey there. Master polymarket with automated prediction bots. Learn to build 3 powerful prediction bots that analyze market data, follow successful whales, and identify opportunities on polymarket, all automated. What you'll learn: code and files. So how do we go ahead and put the code in there? I know sometimes my videos can be long. That's because I'm just showing you over my shoulder. But if you want me to actually hold your hand through automating your trading and building your own bot, I'll show you how in the link below. Check it out in the description. And also payment links here. This is the confirmation page. It seems like on the confirmation, the thank you page, the CSS or something is all messed up because this is what it looks like, and I know that's not what it's supposed to look like. Website. In the course section, can you go ahead and put an example ENV? Don't put any of my real keys in there, but put the actual, just some fake, just the actual ENV variables needed. Make sure not to share any of my keys on screen or anything, and just put it in the course folder. Thank you. Testing CSS access. That's fine. Also, remove any durations on the thank you page of exactly what the duration is. And then video 2 is actually about how to set up buys, sells, and other essential orders or essential functions. So change that on the thank you page as well. Video 3 will be the full copy bot. Video 4 will be the full, sorry, video 3 will be the full spread market making bot. Video 4 will be the full copy bot, and video 5 will be the full mean reversion bot. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this in Dropbox. Let's say new folder here. This will be called prediction bot course code. And then I'll put all of this code in there. Reveal and finder here. And we'll put this one. Then let's have a button to download the source code. And this will just open up a new tab, and it's a Dropbox link. And here's the Dropbox link. This will be on the thank you page as well. We can remove that whole ready to get started 1, 2, 3, 4 thing. And then make sure that videos 3, 4, 5 have like a coming soon video image or something. No, we don't name it. Take that back. I take that back. Take that back. I take that back, dude. I take that back. Once you've updated this, go ahead and get it all launched again. Let's find if I can get that link, bro. The linkity link. Copy Dropbox link. Here's the Dropbox link. I've helped hundreds of people automate their trading, even if they've never coded a day in their life. You can go check all the testimonials on my webpage. The link is in the description, but there's a 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked for 90 days. So click the link below and make sure to jump in right now. And if you don't like it, then you get your money back. On the landing page, in that above what you'll learn, or sorry, below what you'll learn, there's those 6 different things. Let's put another bigger call to action button there. And let's also increase the size of our join nows buttons. So there should be at least 3 of them on the page, and they should be bigger. They all link to that Stripe link. So let's see if this links to the Stripe link. Okay, there you go, dude. Pay later. What, dude? That's clean, dude. All right, so that's launched, dude. If you want to join, it's at predictionbots.com. I need to change some of the verbiage still, but everything, the first 2 videos are there. Let's remove the duration as well from the success thank you page. We don't want to have any duration of how long videos are. That's not important. What's cool about synthetic indices, it never closes but runs 24/7 nonstop. Very good with trading robots. I heard you cannot trade synthetic indices if you're an American citizen. If you are based in USA, I can link you to the synthetic indices that open. Interesting, dude. I trade crypto, so I do have that 24/7 access, which is nice. But I appreciate you sharing that idea. On the landing page, let's go ahead and remove the tools and setup in the what's included. And then in the video training, just say 5 step-by-step training videos. We don't need to have the video 3 for the July 17th thing. We don't need that. And I see that it says start your prediction bot empire, and one of the check marks is 3 profitable strategies. Remove that because we're not saying anything about profitability, as this is not financial advice. So now instead of 4 check marks, there will only be 3. You got to bring your own edge. I can show you how to set all this up, but I'm still working on it as well. I'm still working on building my edge out. Lastly, I think we could make the nah, one won't do anything there. I love AI, dude. I love it so much, except all. You could just build anything. You could just build anything at any time, whenever you want. Whatever idea you have, whenever you have it. Do you want to have your own trading bot? I can show you step by step. Even if you don't know how to code or don't know where to start, there's a link below with my full bootcamp, and I hold your hand through the entire trading bot process. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how this looks now. Prediction bots. Master polymarket with automated prediction bots. Learn to build 3 powerful prediction bots. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. This looks good. This all looks pretty good, dude. Our refund policy is below, so make sure this is on the landing page as well. It's 90 days, money back guarantee, no questions asked. Update the landing page to reflect that. Okay, so let's see what's going on over here. Holy moly, 120, bro. 120, dude. Wow, almost at least. Close enough. And let's see if this goes to the right page. Okay, that works. You'll learn step by step how to build prediction bots for polymarket. I will show you all the core components needed to build any bot, and then show you step by step how to build 3 bots so you can see how to build anything. You will learn how to build a spread bot, a copy bot, and a mean reversion bot at the end of this course. Okay, this is only for 10 people though. Only for 10 people. I'm testing with 10 people. So we'll see. See if you get in, bro. Predictionbots.com. And let's make sure this link works. Links, bots, confirmation page. Send them there. Download all files. Nice, dude. Beautiful. Accept, and then let's go ahead and refresh this. On the market making bot, it says profit from the bid ask spread. We don't want to say profit, dude. We want to say like trade the bid ask spread consistently. Remember, we don't want to, we got to stay away from that for financial liability, all that. BTC 120, dude. Holy moly. Holy moly. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and send this out here in a second. But let's make sure that we get that all set up. Okay, that's not it. predictionbots.com. Say accept here. And then let's go ahead here and say predictionbots.com. Okay, it's live, dude. It says profit from bid-ask spread continuously. Did you push that update? Because it's still on my internet. It says profit from bid-ask spread. So I don't know if you restarted the server or not. You can see that it still shows that here. Have you made sure that it doesn't say profit, or am I maybe missing something? Have you already reset it and all that? I've helped hundreds of people automate their trading, even if they've never coded a day in their life. You can go check all the testimonials on my webpage. The link is in the description, but there's a 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked for 90 days. So click the link below and make sure to jump in right now. And if you don't like it, then you get your money back. There we go. Now we're Gucci. Okay, it's live. So I'm gonna put this in the description here. I'm gonna post. It's only gonna be for 10 people, so you got to be quick if you want the prediction bots course here. I'm gonna put it in the. I just put it in the chat, but I'm gonna get Ghost now, and that's what it is, dude. So predictionbots.com, predictionbots.com. Everything is working. You have the full course now on how to build prediction bots. I already put all of the code in there. So all of the code is in there, and I'm going to make a couple more videos for the course, but I have not released this code anywhere, and you can't get it anywhere else. And we built this, and it took a long time. It was really hard. So now you can have all of it. So that's pretty crazy, dude. Go ahead and enjoy predictionbots.com.